Okay, so that film Gidget was a sensation. It inspired a number of sequels, a TV series, beauty contests, and the birth of beach party films. And basically, that beach bum lifestyle. Um, let's talk about this for a second. Lifestyle. This whole idea that beach culture became a culture, like it became literally a way to live. So besides the fashion, besides the kind of the board shorts, if you will, and obviously the bikinis and one piece, eventually two piece. But then the idea of the hangouts, the kind of hanging out on the beach with your friends, and then you have your board, you go out, you do your ride, you came back in, you hung out, bonfires, the parties, um, and then it became the mode, kind of the kind of like in a way like the laid back version of a surfer, the attitude. So the lifestyle of a surfer, in a way, didn't even require you being a surfer, right? You literally could live a version of that world by just hanging out on the beach and being around those people without actually having to participate in the sport of surfing. So I think that's a very big part of what was happening here. And I think that song by the Beach Boys, it wasn't just about, again, it wasn't about being in the water and about, again, participating in the actual wave sport, but actually just being in the environment. So I think surfing became much, it wasn't, unlike other sports. Like if you said baseball, other than being a fan in the stands, there's not really like a baseball like culture. You don't just go. I guess you kind of go like to a park and maybe play with your friends, but you really, I think if you're in a baseball culture, it's not other than watching a game. It's more um, participatory, right? Um, where I think beach culture is far more. You literally can like dress the part and go take a nap on the beach, and but still you're part of surfing culture. In fact, there's a commercial that came out in the 80s for California Coolers, which I think pretty much nails what I'm talking about. So watch this ad from the mid 80s.